This is the Canning Stock route, one of the most remote and unforgiving tracks in the world. Over the next 19 days, we're attempting to drive from Halls Creek to Wiluna, and already things aren't going to plan. This has been on my list for years. 2,000 kilometres of remote desert track. No help, just us out here. The car is packed and repacked to get it just right. Physical maps are bought. I've got the Explorer Australia by four-wheel drive and the Garmin InReach satellite communicator. Gary has both the Outback Traveller's Track Guide and Explore Oz Traveller app. Welcome everyone on the Canning Stock route. Just started at Wiluna. So just here at Wiluna, and we're filling up. Here's my driving companion. That's Gaza. It is pump 1 diesel. Price, don't worry about it. Don't even bother looking. $3.20 to be precise. So that's the pump, 24 hours, so don't worry about when the store's open. And here's the beauty, here's the Toyota Hilux. Once we leave here, there's no easy way out. Nice flat road, or straight, should I say. Nothing's flat, but it's not terribly bad to start with. Off to the lagoon for camping tonight. At Perry's Creek Lagoon, Perry's Lagoon campsite. So about 500k trek to get down to here so far. So been a long day, and we'll be glad to find our camp spot. Just leaving Lake Stretch. Good morning. Just left Lake Stretch. Not sure where we'll head to, because we got about 10 days to get to halfway mark. Another 10 days, so we're going to do it over 20 days. We've got a bypass. Lake Gregory is flooded, so we've got a bypass that we've got to keep an eye out for on the right hand side at about 16 kilometre mark. And that's we'll take it as it comes. Beautiful camels. Here's our lunch spot on day 2. Beautiful. Out in the desert oaks. Off to Braden's pool, we hope. Valley we've just come up. 3-minute walk. Woo! Sees the Flows over there like a waterfall. Got lovely butterflies.
Oh, shit.
Even Gary says it's good. Beautiful. Coming out of the valley now, beautiful. Welcome, day 3 at Braden's Pool. We're on the main CSR. It's quite a straight, sandy track. A bit of corrugations at the moment, and we haven't reached our first large sand dune. So that's coming up on the map, coming up on the track. So far so good. A lot of this section here I've been in third, so between anywhere 30 to 45 kilometres an hour. The variety just changes. So sometimes you had escarpment, and other times you've got flat plains, and other times you're just surrounded by acacia scrub. So the variety is definitely to keep you interested. All right, this is already harder than I expected. So just letting down the tyres down to 25. Well, that was interesting. We just got bogged. So I went up first, in second, and stalled it right at the top. That's with 25 PSI. So down I went, tried it again, and no luck. So Gazza went up and failed 4 times, tried his truckies, blocks or something on his wheels, but no luck. So our solution was really just to put the boards out and slowly go up inch by inch. Once he got stuck again over the boards, to take them out, put them in front of the wheels again, and slowly go over. We'd only just started, and already this track was testing us. Slowly by slowly. trouble is once you go over the top, you can't see where you're meant to be going. Oh, rocky. All right. Achieved. Hello. What's your name? Humans. Out here, the scale is hard to comprehend. If this is what the start looks like, I don't know how we're going to handle what's ahead. And tomorrow, we enter the real canning stock route. Here's the ute pot, ute tray. Okay. There we are. We've got the zebra finches again. Here's Gaza collecting firewood. And tomorrow we enter the real canning stock route.